Now this video is particularly about what is agentic AI. Now if you are in this video, you have probably learned about AI agents. That means you have heard about LLMs. So आपको समझ है LLMs क्या है, and probably you have built some chatbot or some chat GPT kind of applications using LLM models. Okay, so agentic AI क्या है? It's a more optimized workflow using different LLM agents for different tasking. Okay, that means what is happening here, it's kind of a workflow. Like अगर मैं इधर से कोई एक बढ़िया सा एग्जांपल लूँ, बहुत सारे इमेजेस है मेरे भाई, कोई अच्छा सा एग्जांपल अगर ये वाला आप देखो तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है. सो यू हैव वन यूज़र, सो यूज़र्स आर यूजिंग पासिंग प्रॉम्प्ट और समथिंग लाइक दैट. AI एजेंट्स है यहाँ पे, that's getting connected with database, your vector database. Then you have some LLM applications, then that LLM applications is providing some output, that means some action it is taking. Then you have the agents taking some feedback loop and some customization of model is happening, and finally it is throwing some output, and this refined output is going to user. Rather than कि you have one LLM application and that application is just nothing but your prompt, और वो prompt का जो output आ रहा है you are just delivering it straightforward. So that is the difference between agentic AI and AI agents. AI agents means your generative AI, that means your LLM applications. So agentic AI is more optimized and refrained, what can I say, pipeline of LLM agents. So if you see this example that I have created, okay, so customer support issue resolution, if you think about the problem. So what happens if you want to design a customer support issue resolution agentic AI solution? So first you have to interpret the customer's query or complaint. Let's say Swiggy, Zomato, whatever. In India we are going to use, right? In US it can be Uber Eats. So this particular problem statement, interpret the customer's query or complaint, is already you are going to use one LLM, right? You pass the prompt and then you build one, you have some LLM application, and that AI agent gives you some output. Okay, now you determine कि okay, if this output is along sufficient, or you determines, or your agent determines that some additional context is required, and from where you get this additional context, as in this example we have seen, right? You have database support, you have knowledge graph support, you have the vector database of your all the documents, right? So the same thing, if needed you retrieve relevant data from your knowledge base, FAQs and order history and all those stuff, right? So this is another LLM plus some web search or some uh, internal API calls or something like that, or some NLP task that will give you a concrete context about the uh, issue or the prompt passed by the customer. So there are two separate LLM applications or AI agents. Now what happens in the third agent क्या कर रहा है इधर पे, generate an initial response or propose solution. So based on the context of these two AI agents, the third agent will create, that means another LLM app, it will create one solution or proposed response, and once this got created it will go through the fourth one. So fourth one में क्या हो रहा है, it will evaluate the response for accuracy, tone and completeness, because you know the most issued problem for any LLM application is hallucination, right? कि जो responses आते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा hallucinate होता है based on the I mean what hyper parameters and all those stuffs and context जो उनको दिया जाता है, right? So this hallucination, to eliminate this hallucination and to response in a more human manner, you are designing one agentic AI application or workflow. Okay, so your evaluation of the response for accuracy, tone and completeness, it's the number 4. And in this fourth step what we are doing, let's say it is finding the confidence of the solution is as very low, right? Again, categorized in your application, then it will directly throw the query, customer's query or customer's call to some human agent. Ki okay, the part of artificial intelligence or the part of automation ends here. Okay, let's just don't lose this customer, escalate it to human agent. And the final one is, if this does not happen, you refine the response and deliver the final solution to the customer. So this is how you can optimize and build one completely autonomous solution for your customer support resolution using agentic AI workflow. That means different LLM or different AI agents basically, rather than you just build one LLM based application that will give you solutions that will be in most of the cases, user response cases, will be absurd. Okay, so this solution will be more accurate and cost effective for any company, and the chances of success in this AI application for any customer facing company will be highly positive. So that is what the difference between AI agents and agentic AI workflow. And in this video tutorial we will be learning about agentic AI workflow. Thank you. I hope if you find the video, just like, share and